Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving whether the drive is physically reachable. First, power down and reset the SATA/USB and power cables. Use a known good port or cable. Once powered, enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the SSD appears. That tells you if firmware and bus detect it. If BIOS does not list the drive, remove it and test in another machine or USB enclosure to isolate motherboard versus SSD failure. These quick checks determine whether you continue in software or stop for hardware repair. Once the SSD is visible to the system, you act in disk management. Initialize if uninitialized, create or assign a drive letter, and check partitions for RAW or unallocated space. If the drive appears with errors, open Device Manager to update storage drivers or uninstall the device and rescan, which can clear driver-level faults. To fix file system errors, run chkdsk/f on the affected volume. If data is critical, run read-only recovery tools first so you do not overwrite recoverable files. You finish by ensuring the SSD is stable and accessible. If data is safe, reformat the drive and recreate partitions using the appropriate file system. This removes logical corruption. Next, update the SSD firmware and run the vendor's diagnostic utilities to read smart and health metrics so you understand longevity. If the drive still disconnects or shows critical smart errors, stop normal use, document the error messages and behavior, and pursue an RMA or professional data recovery. This preserves evidence and maximizes recovery chance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.